In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not opening or launching. It's a full guide, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I'll be showing you both methods for this, whether you got it on Steam or Epic Games. So what you want to go ahead and do is, if you're on Steam, open Steam up, and then go ahead and click on Library. And then what you want to do is just find GTA 5. Now, all you want to do is right-click it, and then you're going to see a lot of different things. But we want to go over to Properties, then go over to installed files, and then we're going to verify integrity of game files. This is going to go through and check all of your files on GTA 5 on your PC. And if there's anything missing or if there's any corrupt file, it's just going to re-download that file for you. So just wait for this to happen. It could take a few minutes and then you should be good to go. Now, you want to do something very similar if you're on Epic Games. So if you are on Epic Games, go to the Epic Games launcher. Now, I don't have GTA 5 on Epic Games, but if you do, I'll be showing you the exact method. Go over to your library, and then once you're here, all you got to do is find whichever game that you have installed. Let's say in my instance, let's say this is GTA. All you want to do is press the three little dots, go ahead and click Manage, and then you're going to see Verify Files right here. Once you verify, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.